ma'am. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. Thank you for asking.
Yeah, last time we our recording is not good. That's why I did not upload that video. So sorry for
Okay,
that.
this time we hope for the best, and we try our best to get it recorded successfully. And it's okay. Sometimes happen.
Okay, ma'am. So begin to this video. Would you like to introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure. I'm. My name is Rinku. I'm hail from West Bengal. Right now, I'm a homemaker, a mother of a small kid. He's around 3 years, and apart from learning this, I am into this learning skill. You can say around 1 month or 1.5 month. And before I am working by profession, I am a company secretary, but right now I am a totally homemaker. So that is pretty much about me in nutshell.
Okay. Thank you so much for introducing yourself.
May I ask your intro because we are get connect with first time, so it is good for our audience to know, yeah, know us.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. My name is, as you know, my name is Uma Shukla, and I'm from MP. I'm a teacher. I teach in private institution, subject English, and I would like to make a video. So that's why recently I have started my YouTube channel and I uploaded maximum I uploaded shorts and some long videos also. So that's a bit about myself.
Okay, and you are technically sound how to get it uploaded, how to make a short video. You are much aware of that.
Sorry, ma'am.
Means I'm asking, you are know how to get it recorded, edited, and how to make a short video. You are familiar with that.
Till now, ma'am, so far means I learn and if I talk about recording, I always record with my simple camera. Okay,
Yeah.
I did not use any app or any other things. I recorded my simple camera, and that's it. And simply I uploaded. I did
Okay.
not use yes, I did not use any advanced things.
Okay, okay, okay. And one more thing, I'm just asking, as you are related with the teaching line and teaching the English subject, then you are very much into this language, and you get a good chance to interact with the people, and it will help you to improve your communication level too.
For improving my communication, actually, ma'am, if I talk about whatever I learn by myself. Okay, means I did not use any I think any app, and I did not pay single rupee. Yes, of course, after seeing YouTube videos, whether it is translation, whether it is grammar, whether it is sentences making, and whether it is shadowing practice, means I could say I use every way which make me speak English. So
Okay, okay,
that is the reason. And I was from Hindi medium school. I got early marriage in village. So it was really very difficult to me to learn this language. But since I'm passionate about this language, I love to speak this language. That's why I must say I learn this language.
yeah,
So what about
and
you, ma'am? Because you are speaking very fluently, okay, and your English is really very good. So let me know that from where did you learn this language?
okay, first of all, we are in the same boat, and I must say I also didn't pay a single penny to learn this language. Only I also learn from the YouTuber or whenever I get a chance to interact with the people. You must say, as I am also from a Hindi background, but we live in a Kolkata, a metropolitan city. As you know, I also mentioned over there, I am a company secretary by profession. So I used to work in a company before having my pregnancy, but from the last 3 years I am a homemaker. So you can say, as there is a no environment at my home, because I live in a nuclear family. But at office, there is also not a compulsion to speak in English, because we are in a practice, so we just interact with each other. I am not working in any company for a 8 hours job. We are doing a freelancing job, so maybe some hearing we have a opportunity to attend a workshop seminar, and we have to give there some our inputs over there. So maybe listening our seniors, and we have to attend some what I can say, some workshop on now and then, because we have to meet some criteria, because as a profession I have to meet a 20 hours credit to see that podcast which is related to our institute. So there is maybe that reason I can observe lot of things over there. But yeah, truly speaking, I am not bit comfortable with this language. Only after getting joined some platform or the free platform over there. So you are also there, I have seen your name over there. So and after keep practicing and listening to the YouTuber and get connect with each other co-learner, then I just try to bit improve myself. I also till now I am considering myself as a learner, because it is only 11th of June I get connected with this type of platform.
Okay, so ma'am, I know that you have kids, okay?
Yes,
And being a
only one
women, we
kid.
have lots of responsibilities. So
Yes.
how you manage your time to learn in this language, to care your child, you manage your
Are you there?
house? How it is possible?
May, okay. Okay, I have a kid. He is around 3 years old, as I mentioned, and he is now started to go the playhouse. I get him admitted in a playhouse. So only 2 hours is there when there is no one in my family. I am only there. Then I try to utilize that time to brush up my English or to get connect with the co-learners. And in the afternoon when he is sleeping, right now he is sleeping time, so this time I am utilized only in that whole 24 hours. Might get to means try to get arrange only 2 and 3 hours to get connect with the for a speaking purpose or reading, or I'm not in a reading or writing that, as you said, it is a four pillar to learn this language, but I am only just speaking and listening or try to connect with any others.
Okay, it's really very well because I'm asking because your child is they are kid, okay, and you
Yes.
are managing at that time when my child was kid. Actually, I was also joint family, belong to joint family. So at that time, it was not possible to me to learn English and speak English fluency like you. But you are managing everything, so I think you are really very good. So
No,
let's,
it's
ma'am,
a matter
can
of
we shall we talk about time management?
yeah, time management, but I am not good enough for in a time management, because when I feel there is the only time, because 10 to 12 is my time. So then I just leave all the household chores, or leave all the stuff we will do after when he come back to from school, and I try to utilize that time in speaking. So I think in that way, if you come at my house anytime, if you get a chance, everywhere it's totally mess. So I don't focus, because as you know I am living in a no nuclear family. There is a no hardly come to my house, and even my relatives are also not live nearby. So I am just get a bit relaxation in this matter. So it is a you can say in this way I can manage my time. Okay, I want to know one thing from you. As you told me कि you are using this YouTube journey for a long, means you have your own YouTube channel. So what influenced you to create your YouTube channel? Is there any good is there any specific perspective to launch to run your channel?
Okay, are you asking about my channel?
Yes. What was the
Oh,
reason behind it to run this channel? Means
yes, actually, ma'am, I have already told you I'm fond of speaking this language, and I would like to learn this language anyhow. So sometimes what happen, being a working woman as well as a homemaker, we have lots of responsibility because I have also family, and I have to give eight hours in a day for my school. After that, my house chores work. At that time, it's really very difficult to manage time to learn this language as well as house chores, as well as my to give some time my son, my husband, all those things. So I thought that how I learned this language. After that, I got idea. Let's start YouTube channel, because when I make video at that time, first I create script, I write, I learn, and after that I make a video. So I thought this is one of the best way to learn this language. And after thinking this, I have started this channel.
What are the content of your video? When you start recording video or uploading the video on a YouTube, what are the things in your mind? These things I should keep in a mind, because still now I didn't come across with your any of the video. What the content you have must you put there in your video?
Because I know only one thing, English. And yes, of course, being an English teacher, I'm good at grammar, structure, sentences making, literature. But it's yes, of course, when I was, if I talk about casual talking, professional talking, I was not good at. So initially I joined a group, and after that, when I did not have a time to talk and to practice with someone or anyone, so I started this channel, and I thought let's start conversational video. At that time, what happened, if I make two or three conversational video in a week, at that time it is also a good practice.
Yeah.
And I also learn something, and I also speak something. And when I speak with different type of people, at that time my confidence also boost to build automatically. And with eye context, because ma'am, I was no English, I speak English, but I'm not confident. I was
Yes, same
confident
here.
not at all. So it
Same
was
here.
really very hesitating. And if I about subscribers, so yes, because sometimes what happen, I'm not consistent in YouTube videos. Consistency is very important things. If we take a break, at that time our views automatically going on below level. So it's happened with me nowadays, and before some days also. But I'm not worrying about that, because I'm not creating this videos for the subscribers. Yes, of course, I want to increase my subscribers, my views. But if it is a chance, it is not improving, increasing, then it's okay. Because my first intention is to learn this language, to speak this language fluently, to learn something from different types of people, their life lessons. So that is the thing. So my first intention is to learn this language. And I'm hoping, of course, I'm hoping, if I'm consistent in my future, so it will be successful.
Okay.
Maybe.
How many you conversational video have you been uploaded in your channel so far?
Actually, ma'am, my phone was broken.
Hmm.
Camera was not good. Even it was 6 or 7 years old, so it was not working properly.
Hmm.
So I made many conversational video, but they was not good. Means they was not able to upload it. So I
Okay.
did not upload many videos. Yes, of course I
Okay.
made, but I did not upload.
Okay.
But
Okay.
that's why I said you, I purchased new one before 2 days ago. And yes, of course, now up means whatever I make now, I try to make regular conversation video, and I upload them.
Okay, me too. I have also created my YouTube channel, but till
Okay,
so far I don't have any idea to what the content should be, how to get it uploaded, because I'm not technically sound in this matter. That's why I am asking. But I am very much fond of to interact with the people and to get conversation with them, and also very keen to know how what are the things will do will be fruitful for us to in in the journey of our English learning. So in this way, I am also planning to have some conversational with you. That's why I'm very much keen to know about your journey, how you are doing all these thing, how you manage all this thing to
You know,
upload.
yes, ma'am, what happened? Whether we are able to speak, whether we are speak fluently, whether we know everything, but lack of the practice, we can't do anything. The practice is most important thing. We
Yes,
must practice.
yes,
Without practice,
very
we
true.
can't do anything. It's a
Mm,
fact.
yes,
So this is the one way which where we can practice. And after
okay.
practicing, of course, we will confidence is automatically built. We are able to speak in front of anyone. So I think practice is most important thing, and we must do practice. So,
Okay.
and according, in my opinion, my perspective, if we start YouTube channel, if I talk about YouTube channel, so
Mm,
you start whatever you like
okay.
I'm fond of speaking this language. So
No,
whether I'm good at
my YouTube channel
let's
is
start.
also based on the English.
Yes.
My YouTube channel is also based on the English learner.
Okay.
So
Okay.
I'm
Yes.
all that's why I'm trying to know about the what content should I upload, because till so far I don't upload anything. My channel name is at Fluency with Rinku, but till date I didn't able to join because I have no idea where to start. So that's why I'm asking for from you.
It's okay, ma'am. If you have already created the YouTube channel, then you also can started. You daily upload shorts daily.
How
Okay.
to create a short.
On your normal camera, you first you make a script
Mm-hmm.
like phrase of the day, idiom of the day, vocabulary of the day.
Have you uploaded any short in your channel?
Sorry.
Have you uploaded any of the short video in your channel?
Yes, of course. In my
Okay,
YouTube
let me
channel.
check. Let me check. Then I will get some idea from your video. Today I
Okay.
definitely check your channel.
Okay. If your English is already good, okay, you know need, yes, of course, we need to learn something because we are
Yeah.
not master and perfect.
Uh,
But you
there is
start
a
from
lot
a
of
small things, like
yeah.
word of the day. You choose any word, okay,
Mhm.
simple for beginners, any word, and which means that is, and after that some sentence, one or two sentence, that's it. This is a short video.
Okay.
It's 30 second to 60 second.
Okay, means there is a tab for uploading a short video, long video. Okay, let me check because I have no idea about this. Because I have seen lots of YouTuber on the YouTube channel. Even I am very much fond of Manju. Have you heard the name of Manju Mishra and Neha Rana? All these are the YouTuber are too good while they speak so fluently, so flawlessly. I just keep watching them. Wow, they are, and I have a dream to be become them, like them. Even Manju Mishra ma'am is speaking in a such a way. Yes, I'm just fond of her. So even I try to get connect with him, because with her. So there may be in a description box there is a their email, her email address is mentioned over there. But till now I have no courage to get her contact. But maybe I'm thinking of, because I like to have this kind of conversational video, because it will not only improve our confidence, because as there is a eye to eye contact, facial expression, body language, it boosts our confidence too. So in that way I am working. Maybe let's see what are the next step in this journey.
Yes, of course, you can do. Even we can do everything. Okay, so we no need to worry. Yes, of course. See, whether if I talk about elder, if I talk about young, and if I talk about childhood. Okay, when we are start learn something, when we are start doing something, at that time we are normal. Okay, we are not good at, because at that time we are starting now, so we are
Yes.
not master on that.
Yes, same here. Like a Bengali is a regional language. I am not so much confident and comfortable with that language, but still I can manage to answer if I go to the market to purchase anything, because Bengali is the regional language. I have to answer in that way. So maybe I could manage, but as you know, this language is a foreign language, and it is our second language. Our not our mother tongue. Mother tongue is a Hindi. So in this way we have to face some problem over there, but anyhow I will try to get it over from its language. Okay, is there any topic in your mind to keep this conversation going? I have one topic in my mind.
Yeah, yeah, sure, of course, why not?
Okay, so there is a AI tools everywhere. We got to know about the AI tools, which we are very much familiar in our day to day life right now. Even we are government is also saying to use AI tools in the office, market, even in a school, anywhere. So, what is the concept of your in your opinion, in your eye? What is the concept of AI? Do you know how to get them used, or is you currently you using the are you taking help of any of these AI tools?
No, I did not. I have already told you. So far, I did not use anything. I for
Even not
conversational video.
ChatGPT?
You, as you know very well, for conversational video, I use simply GeoMeet app because I have only phone. Okay, and for shorts and some long video, just you see after meeting. For shorts and long video, I use simple camera. First,
Okay.
I prepare a script like phrasal verb of the day, vocabulary of the day, which is very important for speaking English. Okay,
Yes,
idioms,
yes.
phrasal verbs. Sometimes I use grammar like tenses, voice. Okay, and first I make a script. I read one or two or three times, and after preparing, I
Okay.
just yes, of course, I make two and three and four, sometimes five times, because it's not make perfect at once. So
Okay.
sometimes three times, sometimes four times, sometimes five times. But finally, when I make perfectly, I upload this video.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
of course, there is a process on uploading shorts and long videos, so you can watch from the YouTube, because we can find everything in YouTube,
Okay.
and we learn.
Now,
Yes, whatever I learn, whether if I talk about YouTube channel, whether I talk about uploading videos, whether I talk about master on grammar, English literature, everything I
okay.
learn from only and
We
only
must
YouTube.
say YouTube play a vital role in our learning English journey.
Yes,
Because same here, if there is no YouTube, I am just sitting idle at home. I have nothing to do, because it is in this period, in this phase of my life, so only the YouTube channels helps me a lot to learn this language and to get to connect with the other co-learners in the other platform. So YouTube play a very vital role. One more thing I want to just, you said you are the teacher by profession. Okay, then what? How do you feel? Your profession helps me a lot to improve your English in any way?
yes, of course. For sure, if I talk about accent and fluency, you go for studying practice. It was really perfect, and it, according to my perspective and in my opinion, it works 100%. Okay,
What is the
shadowing
study
practice,
practice?
you of course you can improve your fluency, as well as you can, I could say it's a package of speaking English. You can you can improve your fluency, confidence, accent, pronunciation, intonation, rhythm, everything.
Okay.
So
So
yeah,
how
some
can
things.
how if anyone doesn't know, have no idea about the shadowing practice, how do you means elaborate this shadowing practice for our beginners?
If I talk about shadowing practice, I learn shadowing practice also from YouTube channel.
Okay.
Miss, first you choose your level, whether you are B1 level, B2 level, or
How
C1
do you
level.
get to know about our level?
Yes, and after choosing, after knowing our level, just
No,
go to
no,
YouTube,
one thing. How do you get to know about our level?
talk with AI, talk with ChatGPT.
Okay.
Okay, yes, of course, you go just uh, chat and talk, had conversation with AI and chat GPT, and after 5 and 10 minutes, you just ask what is my level. So simply,
Okay.
he will reply simply that that is your level.
Okay, I will try. Definitely, I will try by today.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so actually,
So
ma'am, running is
then
going,
how the
time
shadowing?
is running very going fast because it's
Okay, just
27
describe
minutes.
just describe how to do the shadowing practice.
Shadowing practice.
Hmm.
You go just YouTube, you can find anything. Yes, of course. Even they teach you everything, how to do shadowing, everything. Yes, of course. You just go YouTube. Means if we
Is there
use
yes,
YouTube very well. Yes, yes, continue.
is
Go
there
ahead.
any specific channel or anyone who I admire you to learn this shadowing practice? Is there any specific one?
No, there is no specific channel, no specific applications, and no specific person. Okay, I simply go YouTube and I watch many videos. Which videos I interested, which videos fascinated me, and which videos, if I think that yes, of course, it's good, I follow it.
Okay, okay. Thank you, ma'am, for such a fruitful and insightful conversation we had. And I hope this time this recording will be good in a done in a good way, and we try to upload it in our channel for our viewers. Thanks a lot. And whenever I will get time, I will get in touch with you soon.
Thank you so much. Likewise, I'm also very happy to have you here.
Really I got to learn lots of things because I am totally novice in this YouTube. What how to get the video uploaded in the YouTube, and what are the other criteria need to be taken care of while uploading video. And you guide me in a so nicely and a so promptly, and it must be appreciable.
Yes, yes. And actually, I was hoping to be with you for conversational video because once when we were conduct that at that time there was something wrong.
Yes, yes, yes,
So
yes.
actually, I
I'm
was
also
hoping.
very happy. Okay, for that your video is a first time for me on an online conversation. You are the first one. Still, you are the first one. So I just wanted to grab anyone. I wanted to know, is there any YouTuber in our platform where we are both associate, so that I can get connect with them and try to have a conversation on a open means on a camera basis, because it will improve me and also improve my confidence. That's why I'm just seeking any YouTuber. Is there any other YouTuber when we are not gonna connect with each other? So the last time I got to know Betty ma'am is also there. So she is also the YouTuber in our association.
Okay, now.
So I try to get connect with her also.
Okay, so this is your second one or first one?
First one. You
Okay.
are the first one. That's why it is a very important for me, because at that time when the last our video last conversation we recorded the video, I am very much eager to know to see our video, how it's recorded and how the conversation video was going on. But anyhow, we didn't go did the in a fine way. So right now I'm very much excited to see this video, how it's recorded.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Send me also the link. I will also upload your video in in my channel, and let's see
Yeah,
what
sure. I'm
how
waiting.
how the viewers and subscriber are responses. Then I'm very much excited to upload a new one. And if the in a future there is also option for collaboration, if we because there are many of the YouTubers who started to give the online classes. If we are thinking in that way also to give online classes, then we must collaborate. And because for a one it is not easy for to handle all these things, no? So we am also in a thinking of to give some online classes, means speaking classes. I am not very much, I have some concept about the grammar and means vocabs, but I'm not, I'm a still learner. But because I know while teaching to others or teach to others, then it will also help to improve our level. So that's why I'm just planning to do. Let's see what happens.
Okay. Thank you so much. Time is running out
Thank
and
you,
time
thank
is
you.
over. Okay, we will meet again. Thank you so much for coming.
I feel